Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today, it's Sunday, it's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. Just got done cooking breakfast for the wife with the kid. And Sunday means we're working on ProjectEJ6 again. So, here it is. Last video, we got done cleaning up the bay, got all the grease out and everything, looking good. Today in this video, we are going to be lifting up the back end here, removing the wheels and removing all the rear suspension, getting out all 4 jack stands. So let's get this lifted up and start taking off the wheels. Alright, got it jacked up on all 4 jack stands, got the wheels off. Today we are going to be removing this whole rear suspension assembly. Won't need these drum brakes anymore because we are going to go disc. Don't have them yet, but I will be looking for them later on. I do have these T6 coilovers from Maxpeedingrods. If anyone local in the Treasure Coast area has some rear trailing iron discs that want to trade for these, they have 0 miles on them. They were just installed. The car's been sitting in the driveway. Maybe we can do a trade. But back to business. We are going to be removing this whole thing. So we got the camber arm right there. We got the rear control arm. We're just going to take this whole thing apart. So first thing first, let's get the trunk open. I know I have parts from the engine bay in there, so I'll have to take those out. Alright, it's going to be really easy. All you need is 14 millimeter. You got these 2 bolts right here holding the camber arm in. 14s right here on the control arm, lower control arm. And then another 14. Let's see if I can get a good angle. Right there on the toe arm. And the only other thing you're going to need is the brake line wrench to break that loose. You can use the regular wrench, but this one grips around it more to get better bite and doesn't round the fitting. And then you're going to need to remove the 2 nuts right there. I think those are 14 also for the top of the coilover. Alright, got the rear suspension out on the driver's side. 2 things I forgot about. These 2 bolts right here for the bushing, they're 17 millimeters. And then for the e-brake, I think you can disconnect in there, but I was like, whatever, I'm just going to pull it all the way from the front. There's some 10 millimeter brackets holding it. Then you have to come in here and take off this panel, and they just, right here, they snap into there. So got that one already loose. But yeah, now I'm gonna go do the passenger side. I won't film that since I already did this, and then give you an update.
over.
Alright, here's the update on the car. Got the whole rear suspension out, passenger and driver side. Just pulled out the shifter and shift linkage. Look at this. A couple of threads only left on it. It was messed up. This rear trailing arm bushing completely snapped off when I just took the bolts out, pulled it. It's right here. I already got a replacement for it, but you know, just, you need to pay attention to your suspension parts. Got the exhaust out. It's going straight to the garbage. Look at that. Rusted out and everything. The only other issue I had was, of course, on this side, the fitting was rounded, so I decided to cut the brake line right there. I mean, if anyone buys the drum brake, they'll just have to get a new line, which isn't a big deal. You can clean this wheel well up, the other side too. I'll probably do that another day. So one final look. This is what the car looks like now. And as I mentioned before, I got these Maxpeedingrods T6 coilovers with 0 miles on them. If you're in the Treasure Coast area and want to pick these up, I will sell them or do a straight trade for rear disc conversion. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up, comment anything down below. Until next time, peace out. I'd like to take a second to thank the sponsor of today's video, Prime Hydration. This is the new Supernova flavor. It is one of my favorites. Go get yours today at Walmart or other retailers. Alright, I'm just kidding, man. Hey, Prime Hydration, send me some stuff.